You finally started feeling like yourself again. Then your phone lit up. A text, an apology, a memory. They always come back when you start healing. It is called hoovering. Like the vacuum, they suck you back in the moment you start to break free. The timing is never an accident. They watch your social media. They notice when you smile again, when you post without them. That is when they text because your healing threatens their control. The message sounds different this time. I have changed. I miss what we had. But the words are the same trap with new pain. They do not miss you. They miss your compliance. They miss having someone who tolerated what nobody else would. Do not let their timing reset your progress. I am Sophia. Healing is not a straight line, but going back is a dead end. Subscribe. Keep walking forward. You are almost there.